energy consumption is of increasing concern. As prices surge and we become more aware of our environmental footprint, it is becoming increasingly important to understand your factory's usage in more detail to help you improve maintenance, gain insights, and reduce costs, to help your business run more efficiently and more sustainably. But if you can't measure energy use, you can't manage it. RS Industria helped Kerry to do just that. By implementing energy insights, Kerry gained valuable data, which enabled them to measure and evaluate energy consumption across product lines, leading to more efficient processes and a workforce more mindful of energy use. Without any significant capital investment, in just 4 short weeks, Kerry reduced its energy consumption by 14%. Having real-time energy insight means that Kerry can now respond to future price increases in a more agile way and take significant steps towards achieving its sustainability goals. To find out more, book an appointment with one of our consultants today. Start simple, grow smart.